Welcome to Foxtech, and this is another tutorial that I have for you. Today we're discussing how to turn up the volume on your Apple Watch using Siri. This is a convenient feature for anyone who wants to quickly adjust the volume without navigating through menus manually. Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about enabling and using Siri on your Apple Watch. If you have Siri enabled, you can activate it in various ways by saying, "Hey Siri," raising your wrist and speaking directly to the watch. Or by pressing and holding the digital crown. Once Siri is activated, you can give it commands, including adjusting the volume. To increase the volume via Siri, simply say something like, "Hey Siri, turn up the volume." Siri will acknowledge your request and inform you that the media volume will be louder the next time you play any content. However, it's important to note that this command does not immediately change the volume of ongoing media or alerts. Instead, it sets the volume level for future media playback, or at least it won't let you know much about the current volume. For those times when you need an immediate volume adjustment, there are manual methods you can use directly on the Apple Watch. To adjust the ringer volume, ensure your watch is not in silent mode. You can check this by swiping up on the watch face to access the control center and looking for the bell icon. If the bell icon is red, tap it to turn off silent mode. Next, go to the Settings app on your Apple Watch, select Sounds and Haptics, and use the Alert Volume slider to adjust the ringer volume. Alternatively, you can use the digital crown to increase or decrease the volume. This method allows for quick adjustments and ensures you can hear notifications clearly. When it comes to adjusting the volume for media playback, the process is just as simple. While playing videos or audio content on your Apple Watch, you can use the digital crown to adjust the volume. During playback, you'll see a volume slider appear on the lower left side of the screen. Turning the digital crown will adjust this slider, allowing you to set the volume to your preferred level. These manual adjustments provide more immediate control over your Apple Watch's volume settings and ensure that you can hear both notifications and media content as desired. In conclusion, while Siri can be used to set the media volume for future playback, manual adjustments through the Settings app or the digital crown offer more immediate control. By combining these methods, you can easily manage the volume on your Apple Watch to suit your needs. Thank you for watching this video on Foxtech C. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and gadget reviews. Until next time, peace.